All right, Year 12 mathematicians, today we are going to look at our log basics, nothing to do with trees. Once we've got our log basics in place, the rest starts to feel a little bit easier because we understand what's going on. So every time we write a power statement, such as 2 cubed equals 8, there is an equivalent log statement that we can then write down for that. Once we can understand how to convert from power statements to log statements and vice versa, the rest is pretty straightforward. So if I have 2 cubed equals 8, then I can rewrite that as a log statement saying log base 2. So remember, you talk about this as your base number here of 8 equals 3. So it's trying to answer the question, what power do I need to put on 2 to get the number 8? Answer to that obviously is a 3. Okay, so there we go. We've gone from a power statement to a log statement. Now we can go the other way around. So this is answering the question, what power do I put on 3 to get 81? And the answer is 4. So when I rewrite that as a power statement, I would write 3 to the power of 4 equals 81. Simple. Once we then know how to do that, we can introduce equations where we have unknown powers. So now I'm saying 5 to the power of something equals 80. I need to convert that into a log statement so that I could then put it in my calculator and find out the answer. So 5 to the power of x equals 80, I would write as log base 5, that's my base number here, of 80. What power do I need to put on 5 to get 80? That is x. That's where my power was. That I could then put into my calculator to find a value. Not worrying about that today. Then if I'm going the other way and say, right, I've got an unknown here, log base 6 of x equals 3. I can then turn that back into a power statement. So I can say, what power do I need to put on 6 to get x? The answer is 3. So I write it as 6 to the power of 3 equals x. Once you've got that basic conversion sorted, the rest of logs starts to feel a little bit easier because we sort of understand what's going on. Let me know how you get on in the comments. Give us a follow for more Year 12 maths content.